Prepping, cooking, the things you need to know. Who are you going to turn to? The Super Awesome Food Show.
Hey guys, John here, and welcome back to the Super Awesome Food Show. Today we're going to make up some really awesome food. It is a taco salad. Yeah, I actually really love taco salad stuff, and what I do is I eat it with chips, like corn chips or something. Basically, I make like a giant plate of taco salad dip, and I use it with chips, and you can use it with like bread, with naan, whatever. So, yeah, this is going to be how to make this delicious dish in some quick and easy steps. It's actually not that bad at all, not hard at all to make this. Probably do it in about 10 minutes. It's not bad. Really good, really good. All right, so here we go. The first thing you're going to want to do is bring a pan up to temperature and crumble in your ground beef. You want to use about a pound of ground beef will be enough for like 3 or 4 people to eat this. It's pretty good. Crumble it all up. Make sure you crumble it up as much as possible. And then what you're going to do is, while that's sort of warming, while it's browning, its first brun, cut up some lettuce. I take a head of lettuce and just chop like a quarter of it off. And then what I'll do is I'll cut the lettuce into sections here with a really good sharp knife. Just be careful you don't cut yourself. Watch your hands. You just basically want to get it into bits, that are bite-sized, Yeah. Almost like a chopped salad, but not so fine. Just into bite-sized chunks. That looks good, right? All right. Then, as the meat is browning, you're going to want to chop it up with a spatula. Just keep working it until you get all the meat into little bits. You want it as fine as possible. The meat needs to be in as little pieces as possible. Like, just cut it up into little bits. Any chunks, just kind of chop it up with your spatula. Because you want this to be, like, just falling apart. Like little bits. You're making bitty goodness. Little bits. Just bits. Chop it all up. Like I said, any big chunks, just make sure you cut them apart with the spatula. Move it around. It'll also cook faster the smaller the little bits are, Because essentially you're just using this meat as the base for the dip, in a sense, or the base for the taco salad. I don't know what you call this. I call it taco salad, but I don't know if that's really what it is or what, but some people could call it loaded nachos, I guess. I don't know, Now, when it's all browned, make sure that it's browned all the way around. Every chunk is browned. And you see how it's all just in little bits here? Break up any big parts. If any big parts stayed with it, break it all up. Take it out of the pan and drain the meat. Get all that grease out of there. And then what you want to do is you want to put in your 2/3 to 1/4 cup of water. I use Taco Bell taco seasoning. I really love the Taco Bell flavor, so I use Taco Bell taco seasoning. This is not sponsored by Taco Bell. I'm just telling you what brand I like. If Taco Bell's watching and they want to sponsor this, you're more than welcome to. But no, I don't have any sponsors right now. This is I just decided to show you what I prefer. Get it all, like, the water's going to soak up most of the taco seasoning powder. Then put the meat in. I drained the meat prior, so I'm putting that all in. And now you're going to want to stir it around so the meat gets fully coated in the liquid spice mixture. This way all the meat tastes taco meat like. Now this is the same way you would make the meat if you're going to make tacos or if you're going to make beef burritos, any of those kind of things. But I'm just doing it to make the taco salad kind of thing. So once it's like boiling, you got it bubbling like this, you're going to want to turn down the heat to about low, just a line below low, and let it simmer, let all that liquid sort of simmer away and steam it off. You don't want a liquidy base when you're doing this. Once you got it to a satisfactory level, it should only take a minute or two. Spoon it out, and you see there's no liquid in the bottom that's going all over my plate. You don't want it liquidy, you don't want it runny. Just put it up there. Really good. You can use some of the meat if you're just going to eat it by yourself, or use all of it if you're going to have it with a few people. I use Fritos jalapeno cheddar. I think this is the best cheese dip that's ever been created by man. And I put this on to get some cheesy goodness in there. And it's really good. It's hot. It's got like a spicy kick to it, jalapeno kick. And it's really good nacho cheese sauce. Put your lettuce on. Put lettuce all over it. You can do chopped onions, you could do peppers, you could add any vegetables that you feel like you want. Olives, whatever you want to add on this, you could put on there. I'm just a lettuce guy. I don't really add much else. You could put carrots, corn, anything else you want to put on at this point. So basically, this is where you dump all your vegetables on. I'm just going to use lettuce today. And then what you're going to want to do is some kind of other cheese. Like you could put mozzarella, you could put cheddar. I use a cheese blend. It's got some Asiago, it's got some Monterey Jack, it's got some cheddar in there. It's a blend of cheeses. Might be some Parmesan in there as well. Provolone. Sprinkle that all on top till you got it to where you want it. I mean, you can use as much or as little as you like. If you're going to use multiple cheeses, you can put multiple cheeses on. You can do as much cheese or as little as you want. Any kinds of cheese. Mozzarella. And then I have Taco Bell hot sauce that I pour on top. Because again, I think the Taco Bell hot sauce tastes great. I also like Texas Pete, but it's kind of hard to get Texas Pete's hot sauce down here. Those are my two choices, Taco Bell or Texas Pete. I use Santita's white corn chips. They're pretty inexpensive for a bag of these, and they taste great. And just scoop up. Let me get a corn chip out here, and then we'll scoop these up. But yeah, this looks really good. I can't wait to eat all this. Yeah, take the chip and just scoop it up. You might need a fork or something to help you scoop it up because the chips sometimes break, like that. But yeah, there you go. You get a little bit of that nacho cheese, the jalapeno cheddar, the beef, the vegetables, all that in there, and it tastes great. Alright guys, thanks a lot for watching. I do appreciate it. There you go. That's how you make quick and easy taco salad, or what do you want to call it, loaded nacho dip, whatever. Quick and easy. It's really, really good. You're going to love it. If you have this at a party with friends, they're going to love it. Your family's going to love it. Just make one big dish and everyone get around and dip your chips with it. Really, really good. Alright guys, thanks a lot for watching. I do appreciate it. Stay awesome out there, everybody. And we'll catch you guys on the next one, alright? See ya! The Super Awesome Food Show is part of the Super Awesome Geek Show network. Please check the description below and subscribe to the channels that interest you. I'd also like to thank Gary at Gary's Grails for the voiceover work on the intro to this video.